Hello guys, welcome to JSTV. Today we are going to talk about the plagiarism checker. So there are a lot of websites on the internet which are available for plagiarism checking. So we are going to discuss each of them and how they are suitable for us to check the plagiarism. So some of them are very accurate. They show very accurate results, but many of them are very fake and they don't show accurate results properly. So we are going to discuss how these websites are useful for us and how they are fake to us. So one by one we are going to discuss them in detail. So we have various types of websites here. So one is the plagiarism checker, a free online plagiarism detector. Another one is your free and accurate duplicate checker. So other one is your the plagiarism checker, that is Qtex. Other one here is the plagiarism checker. One more, that is a tool to check plagiarism. One more last one here is Grammarly. So this is also one of the plagiarism checker. So these are the different types of plagiarism checkers, but we are going to show you that these websites are mainly not, some of them are not useful to us, which do not show the accurate results like 100% plagiarism, or they show 70% plagiarism, they show 40% or 60% plagiarism, and they won't show accurate results. So my advice is to neglect those kind of plagiarisms which are not websites which are not useful to us. So let us discuss them one by one. So one here is the plagiarism checker, then the duplicate checker, then Qtex, and followed by the plagiarism checker free online tool. These four are the major ones showing on the top. So some more we are going to consider, but let us consider this first, because these are the topmost websites many of them use. So we will discuss one by one and find out the issue. So one by one we'll open this. So here I have opened one by one. You can see here there is one more. One by one I have opened here. You can see this one. So these are all the websites which I have opened for checking the plagiarism. So first one is the small tools, SEO tools. So here I have opened a blog website. From this website I am going to copy some content. So this content I have copied here, one of this. So I will paste it in the first website, that is SEO tools, small tools. Let us see what it shows. So we are going to do this one, but majority of the results are not going to be same. So many of them use this website, majority of them, to check their plagiarism, but they don't find the accurate results here. So we'll show the reality of this website now. So we have copied the content and pasted here. So we are copying to the other websites also. You can see the security check, then here also Qtex, then other websites which I told you in the beginning of the video. This is also there. This one too. one by one I'm pasting it. Here you can see the results here. The results from the first for the first website, you can see there is 75% plagiarism and 25% is unique. So whereas if we had copied the content from that website, it should be 100% plagiarism, because we have copied the whole content from the website. So it should be 100% plagiarism, and there is no link of that website at all. So you can see that it is completely fake. This website is completely fake. You can see that there is no results just showing. So for the second website is showing 75% of the plagiarism and 25% is unique. This also is showing the same thing. So, and there is no link of the website. You can see there is no link. They are showing other links, but there is no link of the main website which we have copied the content. So there is one more website here, Qtex. So this website is showing that it is 100% unique. That means this website is not fake at all. You can see that it is 100% plagiarism here. This is not fake. So this is a very good website here. You can go through this website for your plagiarism work. So one more is here, the 60% plagiarism is showing here. Online plagiarism checker is one more website here. So whereas we compare to Qtex, it is 100% plagiarism. You can see it is a fake website. This one is also a fake website. So one more here we are checking here. So this one, let us see how it shows. So this also shows it is 3.3% plagiarism. This also is a good website here. You can see here it is good website, but not so accurate. It is here also one more website, the last one which I discussed. So here this one is also a good website which shows 0% unique. So according to us, there are two websites you can see which are giving us the accurate results. One is the Qtex and another one is the last one which I showed. So let us check for the other websites. I am copying the content from the other website. So this is the other website. I am going to copy some content of this and paste it on the SEO tools, small tools website, the first one. So here also you can see the results. Again I am going to copy the same content from the other website. You can see this I have copied here. So one by one I am pasting it to all the websites. So I am copying it, paste it again here. So let us check the results here. So again the results are coming different. Now it shows completely different results. 25% showing from other websites, but it is showing 100%, but it is not showing the link of the website. Now it is showing 80%, now it is showing 100% here. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That means it's a fake website. You can see it is 75% plague. You can see again it is 75%. Now it is showing 2.1% is the uniqueness. So you can see these websites show a very varying results, not so much accurate. Now the last website, again it shows 0% unique. That means it is correct. It is 100% plagiarism. That means the Qtex and the last website are showing accurate results rather than those other websites which are varying in the results. So I'll mention those websites which are showing 100% accurate results in the link description below, so you can go through the link and paste your content. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and share for more videos. Okay guys, this was the end of our video. I hope you would like our video here. So don't forget to comment, like and share this video. So apart from the video, we would like to say that plagiarism is very important for our making the reports, research paper and other stuff. So where all we go, we make something, but there is a risk of copy paste work. So many of them copy paste the same work from others. So to avoid that, we do the plagiarism. So plagiarism is must and required for the reports and for the research papers, and it is mostly used in the graduate level as well as the MTech and PhD courses, who check your content. So if your content is copy paste, they won't accept. So it depends on your guide or your teacher who is evaluating your report for the plagiarism. So if they set 80% plagiarism, 80% unique and 20% plagiarism, so that will be the criteria, or 75% unique or 25% plagiarism is also, or depends on your guide. So this was the reality of plagiarism from different websites which show you fake data. So don't believe those websites. So always go through the websites which show you the accurate results. So those websites, I'll mention those links in the description below, so please go through this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.